In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Docs Explained, a beginner's guide. Let's start right inside your ClickUp workspace. Open your list view and head to All Tasks so you're looking at your day-to-day work. From here, we'll create a document that supports your tasks and projects. Look for the Docs area or a Create Doc option. Depending on your layout, you'll often find a Create Doc button near the lower left. Click it to begin. You'll be prompted to name what you're creating. Give your doc a clear, descriptive title that matches your project or use case, something you and your team will instantly recognize later. Good naming makes everything easier to find and keeps collaboration tidy. Once the doc opens, you're ready to edit. Click into the page and start typing. On a new line, you'll see a small plus icon to the left. Click that to add your next piece of content. This is how you insert new blocks. If you just need to keep writing, select normal text. If you want to structure the page, switch that block to a heading level or start from a template to speed things up. Headings are great for sections like Overview, Timeline, or Resources, so your doc stays skimmable and easy to navigate. As you build out the page, think in sections. Use normal text for paragraphs, then break up ideas with headings. If you need to outline a process, add a line and use the plus icon again to insert what fits best. You can add more blocks the same way. Type, format, repeat, until your content tells a complete story. Remember, Docs and ClickUp are collaborative, so clarity helps everyone. Short paragraphs, meaningful headings, and consistent formatting go a long way. Your work saves automatically, so there's no need to worry about losing changes. If you're drafting over multiple sessions, consider adding a quick "to do next" line at the top so you know exactly where to pick up. When you're finished or want to switch context, return to your home area from the top navigation. Then jump back into all tasks in your workspace to continue managing your work. Your doc is now part of your workflow, ready to reference, share with your team, and update as your project evolves. That's it. Your first ClickUp doc created, named, and formatted with a clean structure that's easy to maintain. If this beginner's guide helped, keep building on it by applying the same approach to future docs so your workspace stays organized and your projects move forward smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.